Today, I'm excited to share how planking has transformed my fitness journey. Over the past year, this simple yet powerful exercise has given me noticeable benefits like increased strength, better stability, and a flatter stomach. Planking has become a staple in my workouts, and for good reason. It's a full-body exercise that engages your core, arms, chest, back, legs, and glutes all at once. If you're wondering whether planking can really improve stability or boost metabolism, stick around. I'll also reveal my favorite planking variations that help me achieve these results. Here's what I experienced after committing to planking. 1. Stronger deep ab muscles. When most people think of ab exercises, they picture moves targeting the six-pack muscles. But your abdominal muscles are much more than that. They also include the internal and external obliques and the transverse abdominis. Planks are exceptional because they engage all these major abdominal muscle groups. They particularly target the TVA deep muscle, responsible for flattening your abdominal wall, supporting internal organs, and stabilizing your lumbar spine during movement. Planking activates the TVA in two natural ways: by contracting your abs, as if bracing for an impact, by pulling your belly button toward your spine. This dual activation makes planks incredibly effective for building deep abdominal strength and improving overall core stability. 2. Improved core strength. Your core is the foundation of your body's movement, and planking is one of the best ways to strengthen it. Contrary to popular belief, the core isn't just your abs. It also includes your obliques, back, hips, and shoulder stabilizers. When you plank, all these muscles work together to maintain your posture and balance, which not only improves core strength, but also enhances your overall functionality. Over time, I've noticed how this strength positively impacts my daily activities and workouts, giving me more stable shoulders and improved mobility. 3. Increased isometric strength. Planking is a perfect example of an isometric exercise, where your muscles contract without moving. By holding a plank position, you train your muscles to engage and stabilize under tension, which improves strength and endurance. While planks may not promote significant muscle growth, they train your brain to recruit more muscle fibers and enhance your muscular endurance. Plus, they strengthen areas like your arms, shoulders, quads, hips, and glutes, giving you a well-rounded fitness boost. 4. Better athletic performance. The core is the link between your upper and lower body, playing a vital role in almost every movement. Exercises like planks help improve coordination, stability, and body awareness, key factors in athletic performance. Since starting planks, I've noticed enhanced coordination between my arms and legs, making everyday activities like walking feel more efficient and controlled. This improvement translates to better performance in various physical activities, whether it's sports or simple movements. 5. Enhanced shoulder stability. The shoulder joint's flexibility makes it essential for a wide range of motions, but it's also prone to instability and injury. Planking strengthens the muscles around the shoulder blade and rotator cuff, helping to stabilize this vulnerable joint. By building isometric strength in these areas, planks reduce the risk of shoulder injuries and improve muscle activation during other exercises. This increased stability has not only benefited my workouts, but also my posture. Incorporating planks into my routine has been a game changer, and I hope this inspires you to give them a try. Stay tuned for my top plank variations that can help you achieve similar results. Number 6. Improved posture. Maintaining good posture, whether sitting or standing, starts with a strong core. Spending hours in front of a computer had taken a toll on my posture, but incorporating planks into my routine changed that for the better. Planking, when done with proper form, mirrors an ideal posture. While the exercise is performed horizontally, the alignment principles are strikingly similar to standing upright. During a plank, your core contracts, your lumbar spine and glutes engage, and your shoulder blades draw down and in toward your spine. Visualize a straight line from your ears to your shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles. This is the posture planking trains your muscles to achieve. By strengthening your core and promoting proper spinal alignment, planking helps improve posture, whether you're sitting, standing, walking, or even running. And yes, planks do contribute to muscle strength, albeit modestly. If your goal is to sculpt the ultimate physique, you'll need to explore other exercises, but we'll get to that soon enough. Number 7. Increased metabolism. While planks aren't the go-to exercise for boosting metabolism, they can still make a difference. Dynamic movements like squat presses, mountain climbers, and burpees are generally more effective, but regular planking can still provide a slight metabolic boost. To maximize the benefits, focus on engaging your entire body during the exercise. Keep your core tight, squeeze your thighs and glutes, and maintain firm control of your trunk and legs. Once you've mastered the standard plank, try incorporating dynamic variations into your routine. These engage more muscle groups, burn more calories, and give your metabolism a stronger nudge. Number 8. Flatter stomach. Planks are often seen as the key to achieving a flat stomach, but the truth is that they work best as part of a broader fitness plan. While planks alone won't sculpt your dream abs, they can still make a noticeable difference. Many people who've committed to planking routines report improved stomach tone. Personally, after 2 months of consistent planking, my stomach became visibly flatter. While the change wasn't drastic, no defined abs just yet, it was definitely encouraging. Before you begin, make sure to learn the correct planking form. Proper technique not only ensures you get the most out of the exercise, but also minimizes the risk of injury. Mastering the art of planking, a step-by-step guide. Part 1. Getting into position. Begin by firmly pressing your palms into the floor and pushing up from your foundation, ensuring your shoulder blades spread wide apart. Imagine the back of your neck gently lifting toward the ceiling while maintaining forward length through your neck. Avoid looking down or letting your shoulders scrunch toward your ears. Engage your arms, abs, and legs. If your legs aren't feeling the effort, push through your heels and press the balls of your feet into the floor. Activate your thighs and glutes by squeezing them together. Keep your hips low. Your body should form a straight line, not a triangle. Part 2. Mastering your breathing. While maintaining proper form, don't forget to focus on your breathing. Inadequate oxygen can lead to dizziness or nausea. Inhale and exhale rhythmically throughout the plank. Beginners can start by holding the plank for 5 slow breaths in and out before resting. Part 3. Maintaining proper alignment. Visualize balancing a glass of water on your lower back. This helps keep your spine straight and aligned. If you're a beginner, hold the plank for as long as you can with good form, even if that's just 10 seconds. Gradually work up to a minute or longer. Remember, quality trumps quantity when it comes to planking. Plank modifications for every fitness level. If you're still with me, let's dive into some effective plank variations. 1. Knee plank, beginner friendly. Start on the floor with elbows under your shoulders, hands flat, and core engaged. Keeping your forearms and knees on the ground. Lift your body until it forms a straight line from your knees to your head. 2. Side plank, intermediate to advanced. Lie on your right side with your feet stacked and forearm under your shoulder. Engage your core and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from your feet to your head. 3. Knee to elbow plank, advanced. Begin in a plank position with hands shoulder width apart. Engage your core and maintain a straight spine. Bring your right knee toward your right elbow, then return to the plank position. Repeat on the left side. The benefits of planking. Planks are a versatile exercise, providing numerous benefits for your core, stability, and overall strength. However, if your goal is to build a truly impressive physique, planking is just the beginning. To take your fitness journey to the next level, make sure to watch the next video. There's a lot more to learn and achieve. Thanks for watching.